Hello friends. Welcome to our channel Credence Investments, technology-driven mutual funds research and advisory. Wish you all a very happy and prosperous New Year 2026. May this new year brings lot of happiness, health and wealth to you and your families. Thank you very much for supporting our YouTube channel and helping us reach first milestone of 1000 plus subscribers. We appreciate all our subscribers and viewers for showing faith in us and liking the content we publish. We are glad that you find the content useful and hope it would have helped you a lot to do mutual funds analysis. In this video we will do 3 very important announcements for all our subscribers and viewers. First announcement. We will very soon publish the top performing mutual funds of 2025 in all categories. So stay tuned and give your comments if you would like this. Second announcement. We will start a new series of videos in which we will publish research and analysis on stocks also from time to time. If you like this second idea of video series on stocks, then give comments and share stocks you want us to analyze if any. This will give us more confidence to come up with more new contents in future. Third announcement. We will also publish a new series of NFO Performance. As you know, lot of new funds are being offered in the market, so it would be useful for our viewers. For such interesting insights and regular updates, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Press the bell icon, like, comment and share.